Do you want to study in Italy with a fully funded scholarship? The LazioDisco Scholarship might be the perfect opportunity for international students who want to pursue a bachelor's, master's, or PhD degree in Italy. What is the LazioDisco Scholarship? The LazioDisco Scholarship is a regional need-based scholarship in the Lazio region of Italy. It is available for international students who get admission to universities in this region. This scholarship helps students cover major study expenses while studying in Italy. Scholarship benefits. The LazioDisco Scholarship provides several benefits, including full tuition fee coverage, free meal every day for a whole year, accommodation or housing support, a financial grant of up to €7,655 per year, depending on income level. These benefits make studying in Italy much more affordable. Eligibility. Here are the basic eligibility requirements. Students from any country can apply, available for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. Applicants must have admission or pre-enrollment in a university in the Lazio region. The scholarship is need-based, so family income must be below about €25,000 per year. Interestingly, there is no age limit, and the scholarship itself does not require IELTS. Required documents. Applicants usually need documents such as family income certificate, family composition certificate, property certificate, passport copy, university admission or pre-enrollment letter, and the ISEE Padicato, which evaluates your financial situation. Deadline and application. Applications generally open between June and July, and the deadline is usually around July or August each year. Students must submit their application online through the LazioDisco portal.